Good morning, students. Today you will study this chapter 2 from geography section. The name of the chapter is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. So students, let us understand this chapter. Students, let me tell you, today I am going to cover only one topic, that is land. In next video I will cover rest of the topic. So let us understand first what is land. Okay, so here I will teach you what is land, why it is important, next soil, and third I will teach you factors of soil formation. So let us understand first what is soil, what is land. So students, land is a resource, and you know it is a very important and valuable resource. Why it is important? It is important because it provides us food, shelter, clothing, etc. There are regions of the land degradations. Student, what is the meaning of land degradation? Land degradation means decaying of the land due to some reasons. The first reason is human activities. So due to the human activities like deforestation, if the people will cut more and more tree, then land will be degraded. Second reason is overgrazing, and third is mining. So these are the reason for land degradation. So let us understand what are the steps so that we can conserve our land. So steps is afforestation. We must plant more and more trees. Second, we must check on overgrazing. So we should not let the cattle to graze more and more fields. Third, regulated use of pesticide and fertilizers. So we must regulate that we should not use more pesticides and fertilizers, so it will be good for our land, students. So let us understand what is soil. Student, soil is a thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. So it is closely linked to the land. Landforms determine the type of soil. Soil is made up of organic matters, minerals and weathered rocks found on the earth. So let us understand the soil profile with the help of picture. Students, this is the figure of soil profile. So let us understand one by one. See, from this part you can see this is the top soil with the humus and vegetation. Students, humus means here organic matter deposited on the top of on our land like silt, soil, clay, etc. This part just below it is known as subsoil with the sand. Here it is sand, silt and clay also. And this part it is weathered rock material. Weathered rock material means, students, here the decaying of the rock material, broken part of the rock is known as, this part is known as weathered rock material. And the last, which is the innermost parent rock, this is known as parent rock, and it is the base of all this soil. So I hope you have understood. This is the profile of soil. Student, do you know there are some factors which affect our soil formation? So now let us understand what are the factors of soil formation. So student, this is the figures of the factors of the soil formation. Let us understand this. You can see parent rock determines the color, texture, chemical properties like mineral and content. Now relief. Relief means high and low, altitude and slope. Determine accumulation of soil. Accumulation means to gather at one place. Next, flora. Flora, student, means related to vegetation. Fauna related to animal, and also microorganism. Microorganism means very small organism or animal or insects which affect the rate of humus formation. Humus, I already told you, the minerals found in the soil. Next, climate. Climate also affect the soil. Temperature, rainfall influence the rate of weathering and humus. Next, time. Time determines the thickness of the soil profile. So student, you have to remember this. Means soil is not a process of small time, it is a process of long time. So with the passes of time, the formation of the soil is done. So I hope you understood. These are the factors of the soil formation. Now students, I have the homework. Just you have to complete my homework. So please see my homework. This is the homework, students. So you have to do question number 1. Answer the following question. Only 3 questions. Question number 1, 2 and 3 of question number 1. And you have to do question number 2 also. Take the correct answer. Thank you.